Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I will show you how to check a WhatsApp backup on your Google Drive. So click on the WhatsApp option, and if you want to select your WhatsApp photos, videos, audios and chats data on your email like on your Google Drive. So watch this video complete. I will give you a complete solution in this video. So just open your Google Drive option over here and click on the three dots, or you can select your current email and choose this email where you want to get a data of your WhatsApp and you want to link, or you want to get WhatsApp backup on the email. So I just choose this email and you can click on the backup option. Here is all your data, all your WhatsApp data is backup on those emails. So here I use this email for two contacts, like here is my first contact and here is my second. So I use this email for two contacts as a backup. So you can click on the three dots to delete your backup, and you can turn off your backup as well. So you can remove or you can easily turn off backup. So you can perform different actions, and if you want to change account, you can click on the change account. You can use another different email, or you can just delete backup over here. So you can make sure that you can change a backup settings. Here are different settings, like most of the times the backup setting is you can get a backup on photos and videos. So you make sure this option is turned on, so you can easily backup your data in the form of photos and videos. And if you want to select other devices like call history, device setting, and if you want to get some apps and data, you can select the second option as well. So I don't need it, I just want to get first one. So you can manage different users. If you want to remove a current user and if you want to add a new user, you can just click on the three dots on the top right corner and you can just remove the current user and add new one. So in this way you can store all those backup on your Google Drive and perform different actions. So I hope so you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comments.